He called some like
So Bollywood apparently the term was coined to make fun
Oh, of Hollywood.
of
No, of us.
Bollywood.
Hey, like Hollywood ka maza. You guys get what I'm saying?
Hollywood is the real thing.
Yeah.
And these people are from Bombay.
Bollywood.
Some Bollywood.
Like
Okay.
that. And then the Tollywood people didn't get the memo. They thought it's cool.
thought it's
so they
cool.
only started calling them.
no, there is Collywood also. Tamil
Yeah.
industry. That's
Telugu
why.
is Tollywood.
Telugu is Tollywood.
तेलुगु नहीं तेलुगु
Telugu.
तेलुगु
sorry.
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं ये एडिट कर लो
नहीं,
ये मुझे इसका एडिट देखना है बिफोर यू गाइस पुट इन आई डोंट ट्रस्ट यू गाइस
Okay, done. We'll AI mod something and it's just Rahul going on a rant for 5
इसका
minutes.
5 मिनट निकलेगा फिर he'll ask for check worth of 5 minutes.
yeah, but you should tell more because you are more into Bollywood you are more
Hindi film industry.
and also he hangs out with the who's who of Bollywood
Who are you hanging out with?
Exactly. You'll see them and
Who's
be like,
this who we are hanging out with?
We've seen who he hangs out with.
Bro,
It's
our
awesome.
relation to Bollywood is we will meet Ori at a party here and there.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
but that's like 1 degree separation from Shah Rukh
Yeah.
that's amazing
We have come up with this theory that we are 2 handshakes away from any person in this world, like any well-known person.
Like
Any
genuinely.
well-known
Any,
person.
like name one and
2
I'll
to
tell
3,
you a
like
link.
3 maybe.
some
max.
of them are I don't think so it's possible
It is possible.
Let's go. Let's hear it.
especially the dead ones
Dead ones also have done.
how can you shake their hand bro
No, like in the
That's okay.
But give us a name. We'll see. We'll
Alpha
make a
will-
connect.
you must have someone okay let me see
Try to like
Think.
okay.
Steven Gerrard
Steven Gerrard.
Oh, okay.
Gerard.
That
Okay,
should be
wait.
easy.
That'll be very easy.
Wait, I'll tell you.
Wait, let me backtrack.
Okay, who is that England ka keeper? Like
Joe Hart.
No,
No, the
he's
other.
black.
Josh Butler
No, he's
No,
black.
I know. I know.
Which keeper are you
James.
talking
James.
James.
Yeah,
so
David
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 James, does a show with this person I know who I played a football tournament with, Arpit. And David
Arpit,
James
the United
clearly,
fan. Yeah, I know. Arpit speaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he
He
Yeah,
shook
David
hands with
James.
Arpit. Arpit shook hands with David James.
David and
That's
David
3
James
degrees.
shook- So I
No,
said
it's
na
two.
max 3.
There's 2 handshakes in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
basically I know Gerard. So that's
Dude, if
insane.
you want, if you want, just wanted 2, you could have gone through me.
You've met Gerard?
Come on, that's why he tricked us.
I'm at Jurgen Klopp.
What?
Yeah,
Where?
man. We go back a long
Yeah, I
way.
need to-
Jurgen
2
and I-
handshakes.
I don't want to shake hands with Gerard.
What?
Actually,
You
yeah,
can. Na, he gave you the title
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one
yeah,
season.
Yeah. He tried, but
Yeah.
Gerrard slipped.
Yeah.
Missed his hand.
When did you meet Jurgen Klopp?
This was one wild part. No, I actually went to Anfield to see a game 2 years back.
Okay.
In Anfield in his last season. So we had gone down. Kumar Varun and I had gone there. Saw the game. Got to meet him. Dude, what a guy. So tall. So tall. And he hugged us. He gave us a famous Klopp hug.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there on my Instagram, the photos. We have to put everything on Instagram,
Of
right?
course.
Yeah, you have to. If you meet Klopp, you have to put it on Instagram.
I mean,
Dude, he insisted.
Okay. The
that
post
you
is-
posted on.
Yeah.
What a clout.
Did he ask for a collab post?
No, man.
At
He
the
didn't have
like collab request
Instagram.
page.
He didn't have
Okay,
Instagram.
cloud.
I heard that.
कोई डालना चाहिए फिर. Yeah, he was one of those managers that even as a rival fan, you were like, he seems like a sweet guy. Like
Yeah.
you don't hate him. You could hate like
Arteta.
Arteta is hateable.
What has
Arteta
Arteta
is-
done though?
Huh?
You know what?
He's not hateable.
That's the reason. He's done nothing. That's why people. No, Arteta is, I think, hateable.
Yeah.
Jose Mourinho was hateable.
He was the
Marino's
Oh,
the
he-
most, one of the most.
Just like
Jamie Carragher wasn't as hateable.
You couldn't hate Sir Alex.
No, people hated him at that point of time.
I mean,
Yeah,
not
as
hate.
soon as
It
he
was-
stopped managing, I stopped hating him.
Otherwise you hated
yeah,
him.
bro, because he was too good.
Yeah, it's too good.
Hating on the greats.
And he was just like this old dude. Like old managers,
Yeah.
usually after a while, they're not as good. And he just kept getting better.
Yeah.
He stand there chewing his gum and
but
yelling
that's
at them.
it's got nothing to do with how good they are.
Yeah.
Like Arteta is excellent.
Hmm.
Jose Mourinho, one of the best ever.
Yeah.
People hate, man. People hate.
But that's one of the fun things about just following any sport.
Is
It's the most healthy hate you can have because you can't do anything to that person. That person doesn't even know you.
I think it's very unhealthy because you can't do anything. It's just like this fictitious fight, or like
I
you
would
have
like
with
to-
some person. It's almost like when you drive and you get angry at someone else, you feel that person has cut you.
Yeah.
And then you just दिखा देता हूँ उसको ऐसे साले को, and there
He
is a
doesn't
race
even
going
know.
on,
Yeah.
and then you overtake that person. देखा, you do that, and you see that person is actually singing a song. He has no idea he's part of this race. I think that makes you feel even smaller than, yeah. So I think
I think it's a phase that you should go through, because a lot of people, I feel like if they don't have that hate, they will use that hate somewhere else. So it's just better.
Where do you get all this from, bro? What's this source of wisdom? Or it just comes to you?
We have recently crossed the age of 25. So there's a part of our brain that has unlocked, which we are using for
Absolutely.
forming opinions. Before that, it was just like a free for all. Like
Yeah.
if you see the episodes before we turned 25.
Dude, those are the ones I liked. I'm here because of those episodes.
That's what we get a lot actually. They're like, oh, the old Untriggered is.
There was
How do we
bro,
explain to
because
them
we
we
were-
become old?
We were degenerates.
You guys don't look old, so we can't.
Thank you.
I mean, it's
the Botox.
It's just one, but that's just one aspect of a personality. Okay? So,
Not even personality.
just appearance.
Appearance.
No, but you guys don't sound old.
Ah.
Because when I listen to you guys, I feel old, which means you guys are young.
How old are you?
Dude, very.
How old? 35.
Let's not do that.
Let's not. Don't.
But
do
it's
that.
not very tough to find out how old I am. So it's
So say.
I think I can tell.
okay.
It's 38.
Fantastic. Close.
Oh, okay.
Huh.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's young, man. Like you're
Thanks, man.
like insane.
But I'm not 38, but thanks, man.
He's younger than that.
No, I'm older than that. Guys, see?
How long have you been?
The camera spoke. The camera is
He
right.
probably Googled it over there.
The camera is right. Yeah.
40. You
Yeah.
turned 40 this year?
Yeah,
Like
bro.
2025.
Mhm.
How does that feel?
Dude, amazing.
Really?
I mean, I don't feel anything. Actually, I don't feel anything. You know, after 30, you stop. I stop feeling anything
Okay.
about.
Anything.
Anything. In general.
Yeah, it's an excuse for a holiday. I think birthdays are a nice excuse for a holiday. You don't need an excuse, but it's nice to have
Guilt free.
yeah, guilt-free. Yeah.
It's the same, like, this is. Birthdays have always been like this, though. Even when we were in school, the day you wake up on the day of your birthday, that's a excuse to not do. Like, you can maybe skip school if you want, but usually you go because you have to give chocolate to everyone.
मेरा वैसा नहीं था because my birthday was on during summer vacation.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, that's sad.
Which was very sad for till I was in 6th, 7th grade, and then it became very cool because then actually I could get my friends over, could do something, and everyone's free.
Yeah.
Not like kal school hai.
You've
Yeah.
grown up in Mumbai only?
Yes, Chembur.
Okay.
Chembur represent.
What is growing up in Mumbai like? Because we've grown up in Pune. And I personally, I would never raise kids here. I don't think it's a good place to raise kids. But
Okay, cool. Absolutely.
so how, what was it like for you?
You do you, bro. Absolutely, dude.
He's like, I didn't ask for this, but okay.
बोलने वाला था.
He's about to give a good answer.
Personally, I wouldn't.
Yeah. No, I think if you're from Pune, you shouldn't raise your kids here. Yeah. Growing up was great, man. In Mumbai, I had a great childhood. There's a pre-mobile phone era, so
Right.
I think it was that fun. Played a lot, and yeah, all the some normal college stuff, college festivals, friends, parties, all that.
Were you in the committee?
I was in every committee, man. I was one of those.
Okay.
I was a cultural secretary.
Oh
of
my
my
God,
college
that's a
too.
high post.
Thanks, man.
It's like
I had walkie-talkie.
you had it.
Yeah, man. You guys don't know. Do you guys use walkie-talkie?
What do you mean you
We
guys
know
don't know?
walkie-talkies.
You're in the era of mobile phones. Why
No,
would you
we-
need
नहीं, but
walkie-talkie?
We were the
festival
last,
में
no, we were the
होता ही है
last.
use
होता ही है ना?
walkie-talkie, हाँ.
It's just for the sake.
No, there's two. Actually, yeah. I'm sure you
They just say
can.
come in and they don't say anything after
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Rakesh, come in.
And then
कुछ नहीं
Rakesh
होता
like,
है.
yes, checking, and then they don't say anything.
कुछ नहीं बस ऐसे ही bye.
Rakesh, classic Rakesh, man. Never does any work.
Sitting
Yeah.
somewhere smoking.
It was in our time. It's not allowed.
No?
Cigarettes weren't.
No, chewing gum.
Okay, chewing gum.
Yeah.
Mm.
Cigarettes were not
were not it.
No, it's good. Not good for your health.
Yeah.
Now
agreed.
it's changed. Now it's cool.
Now it's better than vaping.
Now it's better than.
Now it's cool for your health.
No, but I love growing up in Mumbai so much that I've just stayed outside Bombay for 2 years in Bangalore, and I wanted to come back. So yeah, Bombay was.
When
Bombay's
you
a
were
nice
working?
place. Yes.
Okay.
Bombay is a nice place to was a nice place to grow up. Yeah.
But everyone
You could be
says-
out. Let's say it was safe. It had. I think Bombay has. Everyone has a space, or at least when I was growing up, everyone had a space. Right? It doesn't. You don't have to be rich to enjoy
Right.
Bombay life or nightlife, right?
Yeah.
You could take a local. You could go anywhere. You can hang out in BT. You could. One of the things we loved doing was when my kids was not kids, teenagers was to enter 5-star hotels. There weren't many at that point of time, and the ones which were there were like the legacy ones, like the Oberoi and the Taj. तो हम अंदर जाके washroom use करके आते थे, and it just be such a kick.
Just
Yeah.
get in there, take a shit, and leave.
No, like leak, take a leak.
Shit is a little too much, bro. You're
I
spending
mean,
too
you're
much
going to
time
a
there.
5-star, bro.
That's just
Yeah.
disrespectful.
Yeah.
That's like, I mean, you don't even have a room there. Who
But-
does that?
Like taking a piss feels a bit like you didn't do enough.
Yeah. No, but we did that.
पानी भी पीने का. Reception.
पानी पीने का AC was not a thing, right?
Yeah.
In the sense. AC cabs आया था तभी भी we were excited. Lasted for a short time. Blue colored.
The blue ones, no?
You guys?
Cool cab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool cab, yeah. I could never afford it.
You could never afford it. You didn't have to buy it. Bro.
He always would ask them, कितने को है बेच दे.
And they're like 2 lakh. And it's like,
He's like, fuck.
I'll just take the rickshaw.
Oh, when
Hey, but I like Pune too. I didn't visit much of Pune during my childhood, but after stand-up, there was a place called Euriska and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
High Spirit.
Yeah.
High Spirit was a great place to perform.
Yeah.
I generally didn't get High Spirit because any outdoor venue is funeral for a stand-up comedy show.
There's no vibes.
Yeah, there's no vibe and you can't laughter is contagious and it doesn't spread
Yeah.
but High Spirit somehow got it right. I don't know how they got it right.
It was the crowd. It was college crowd.
It was college
Symbiosis
crowd, drunk college crowd.
Drunk.
And they
Yeah.
would come to laugh. And they would just... So at
And it was
that point...
packed.
Yeah, at that point, like, stand-up comedians were like proper celebrities within the college.
Yeah, that
Crowd.
point. No, it's true.
No,
No,
true.
but now, because the access has reduced...
It's
access was reduced then
Yeah.
because you would see a video come out on YouTube.
Correct.
It was a 10-minute video that they would watch. Now it's just all over. So it's just
True.
like you've become too close to the...
Yeah.
It's not as... like before,
Never get too close to your heroes.
Yeah.
And we are very close to
Yeah.
all our fans.
Like
so-
I remember we had... I think I must have seen you live at High
We
Spirit.
have.
Have
we
you?
have,
Yeah.
we have.
High
Because we used
Spirits
to
was
go-
fun.
We used to... And it was like... It would get packed. It was almost like an arena.
Yeah.
So it was...
It was very fun.
And I used to always, and for NH7, we used to come.
Yeah.
So, and Pune also, I really like the cafes in Pune. And I'm sure they're good abhi bhi. So,
I don't know if they still have good cafes.
क्या बात कर रहा है ऐसा थोड़ी
Vibes
होगा
have changed a bit.
It's
now.
changed quite a lot. Though. Like the last 3-4 years since we've moved out, only we've noticed.
weather's still nice
Weather is
Weather's,
great.
yeah.
weather's still
Weather's
nice.
still great, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's just gotten way more crowded. Too many more people moving in because they've set up a lot of
Okay,
ITs.
at least you guys have done your part.
Yeah, we left at the right time.
Yeah,
Now Mumbai is more fun, I think.
is it?
Because Mumbai is the same thing that you said, there is something here for everyone. Even I'm like, at the time when you started doing stand-up, I think Mumbai was the only city where you could
Correct.
go and get like stage
Where-
time consistently.
Yeah. When have you guys any of you tried stand up?
We've tried.
Yeah, the
We've
two of
tried a
them
bit.
Pune only.
Yeah.
कैसा था वो?
It was like in Pune, the scene is a bit different. Like here, if you go to a Habitat and do like an open mic, is like you're kind of, I think, encouraged to go back. In Pune, when we were doing it, it was like you prepare and then the mic doesn't happen. It was not enough to get sold. So like it was just a lot of uncertainty and it kind of like puts you off.
But this is also
And
a long time ago.
And obviously, I don't think any of us was motivated enough to go through that grind because there's so many comics in Pune who are still doing it.
Also, maybe it's not that much of an interest. It's nice to try, but
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah.
nothing beyond that.
So I did around 6 to 7 open mics in
Huh.
Pune. And what I got from it was this is something that I can pick up later also with more perspective. And I don't think it'll ever be late to do stand up.
Yeah.
So that was my learning from.
Yeah, for sure.
Actually, if you're on LinkedIn, you will know that it's never too late to do anything. And I'm not kidding. This is said by one CXO. I don't know how he looks, but he wears a blazer in his profile pic, which is so easy
Which
to
is so
find. Easy
unique.
to find. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very unique. Yeah.
He's never smiling either, this guy.
He's never
to
smiling.
work.
Actually, he's smiling, but the camera doesn't capture it.
Yeah.
How many connections does he have?
He's
1,000 plus.
according to his profile, 11,000 plus.
11,000.
And he keeps updating it, 11,350 plus. So yeah. So it's, I'm very active on LinkedIn. It's kind of a fun fact.
Yeah,
LinkedIn is still.
Dude, I think I
Are
don't
you an
know.
influencer on that platform?
Dude, I'm not an
He's the
influencer
biggest.
anyway.
Because it's
What
very
is-
difficult to be an influencer on that platform.
What does an influencer mean?
Like just someone who influences people with a lot of followers on that platform.
Okay.
So you are.
No, I mean, I don't know how to say that.
what do you do? Do you do jokes on LinkedIn?
I just do jokes and they get pissed. It's like I put jokes like career advice, quit, and they're like, how can you say this? That's like, how do you say this? So yeah, I just do jokes. And it's not like, I mean, it's just. So I went off Twitter a few years back because Twitter was too much for me. It was too toxic and I didn't want to spend so much time on that. But I used to do a lot of one-liner jokes. It's for us. It's like for me, it's like an exercise.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be good. You just have to keep
Getting it out.
posting
Just work
something.
that
every day.
muscle.
It's like to work the muscle. So वो निकला तो I was like, and then my friend who worked in LinkedIn, like you should try it in LinkedIn. Well, who writes stuff on LinkedIn? He's like, there it is. And then I checked. Then I said, okay, I have to just write corporate specific, which is good. Which turned out to be good because I get quite
You get-
decent number
see?
of corporate shows.
I
bro.
told you.
Yeah,
Good
but that was not the
It's a
aim.
good- yeah.
It was not the intent.
You didn't start with that, but it
And
became.
It became. So yeah.
But isn't that a part of your like persona, the MBA related?
I mean, yeah, maybe.
You are an.
You did MBA, right?
Dude, yeah, man. Do you think it's easy to be where I am without post graduation?
I mean, we've also.
Yeah.
I mean, where you are as a comic, you mean, or just in life?
Sala.
That MBA.
we've had Kaustubh Agarwal also here, and he hasn't done an MBA.
Okay.
So
I mean, there are different
very-
paths to the same destination.
yeah,
I chose the one with engineering, then followed by MBA.
Which engineering have you done?
Oh, like field.
Yeah, field.
IT computers.
Okay.
तूने भी वही किया ना?
No, mine was ENTC.
Oh, ENTC. Oh, that's like ear, nose, throat.
Yeah. Ear, nose, throat, colon.
Colon.
You can engineer that.
Yeah. Relax.
made a big jump.
Where did
All
you
the
do?
holes.
Did you do COEP?
No. I was not that smart.
Okay.
COEP and all is like
MIT.
smart kids. No, even
Not
lower
even
than
worse.
that.
Okay.
Go lower. Start from the bottom.
और क्या है वहाँ पर?
There's one college called Siagarh.
It's also a
Siagarh?
mountain.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's a fort.
वहाँ पे जाके
That's the ENTC
वहाँ
they
पे
taught me.
Yeah, they used to climb.
ladder बना के.
They will go and.
Where did you study engineering?
in Chembur only, in Mumbai only.
Really?
Vivekanand Education Societies, Institute of Technology. Shout out. Do you do these things? Shout out. And
Yeah.
Shout out to Vezir. If you're from Vezir, comment.
Was it like one of the better colleges?
Yeah.
You don't know.
It was like after IIT, UICT, that's UDCT,
Okay.
and VJTI. Fourth. That's not bad.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
insane.
VJTI.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Where is Siagarh on this list? Siagarh on this list.
Siagarh ain't on the list, honey.
They used to throw good college festivals. though.
Yeah.
Which
We were
one? Siagarh.
Siagarh.
Yeah, I'm
We were
sure
known
your
for-
college didn't get chain smokers and all, huh? For
We got
Oh, they
chain
used to get like
smokers,
international acts for
W
that.
and W.
Oh, like that. Oh,
Yeah. No. There's a.
I mean, how dare you? What do you mean? You think our kids don't?
Chewing
Whether
gum.
kids don't have a
They
in them to smoke or
Their
not?
college went bankrupt also.
Yeah. That to declare bankruptcy. We pushed the whole university exams were pushed by a month
Because?
my college hadn't paid the teachers for like 2 years.
Okay.
So the teachers went on a strike just
Okay.
1 month before the exams.
So exam teacher थोड़ी ले रहे.
Huh, but they were like, we're not
Good
going
point.
to pay, we're not going to check any of their
I
papers
didn't-
or
they
anything.
didn't
Have
think
money
it
for
through.
They didn't
answer
think
sheet.
it through.
Yeah, but that's that's
Printer का ink खत्म हो गया. Question paper print नहीं हो रहा.
and then did they get paid finally?
I have no idea.
Very much the Malya of colleges, this.
Siagat.
My teacher
There's a
was-
ring to the name, right? Siagat.
Yeah.
It's a nice college.
It's a nice college.
Yeah. I don't want like Sinhagat college people to come after us, bro.
I don't think they'll.
Dude, anything can happen. If DJs can come after you, anyone can come after you.
Oh
so-
yeah.
So I don't
Remember
want
when-
We have a bone to pick with you.
Why you shat on DJs?
I mean, you tell me.
Why were you shitting
I don't,
on
I
our
don't
career?
remember the context.
It's
I just remember they were really pissed off and you were getting.
It was a stand. It
That's
was.
right.
I had a stand-up set on DJs, and
Yeah.
they didn't. And DJs didn't like it.
What was the context of it? Like you.
The context was basic,
Ki
like
DJ
not even like it's basic observational humor. I hate DJs because they say make some noise, and I'm like, no, you make noise, we'll dance. So things like that. They're like, how are you doing Mumbai? I'm like, who talks to a city? पागल है, शहर से बात कर रहे हैं. You know, things like that. And so there were jokes like this, like one of my favorite jokes, which got them really pissed to us. I hate DJs because they buy whole headphones and use half of it.
Which is fair, man. Which is fair.
Yeah.
It's a
And the
good
joke is that it's not. See, the joke is that you hate is too strong an emotion for something so basic.
stupid, yeah.
And that's why it's funny because you say I hate and then you follow it with something which is factual but very very
Yeah.
trivial.
Yeah.
But no, they didn't like it.
So I think that first of all, the DJs hating on this and being angry about it makes it even funnier because
For everyone apart from me,
Yeah.
yeah.
मुझे नहीं लगा funny. मुझे तो डर लग रहा था.
You were getting death threats and all, no?
DJs
Dude, I got-
aren't that aggressive, I think. Like they're probably nice on the nicer side of the spectrum. They're not gonna come out and break your chairs and
Yeah,
whatever.
that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
He was-
genuinely
Yeah,
thought
what all did you receive?
Because I've done this, I toured this show for at least a year and a half, and I performed in many clubs. And every club I've performed, I remember the DJ coming after the show and saying, "Dude, this was so much fun, so kick-ass." Because the context in a live show is very different. When you
Yeah.
put it out on video, and then people then slow it down, or whatever, they're in a bad mood, and they look at it. It looks like a speech, okay? And I don't think so. They saw it as a speech. They saw it as an attack. And then they're like, how can you say about my profession? And then I got cancelled from the Pune Comedy Festival
Because of
Because
this.
of
What?
because DJs were angry. How insane is that? Like a comedian got cancelled from a comedy festival because DJs are angry. Does this make any sense?
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
What a world we live in, man.
But you know what? I talk about all of this in my stand-up special called "Who Are You?" Come on, let me plug this in. So it's coming on in February on YouTube.
Nice.
Because I'm like a giver. I'm like, you watch it for free,
Yeah.
not on Netflix or Amazon, because they also didn't want me to. But that's another thing. I mean, yeah. So it's gonna come, and I talk about this incident.
It's such an absurd incident, bro, because like you would assume people who will get pissed about something is like if you speak about
Politicians,
political parties,
religion,
even like
Or like noble professions,
Like
like a
doctors.
doctor or a lawyer, aisa
but,
profession pe.
that also now I think it's just there have been so many doctor jokes that it's like no one cares anymore. I think the DJs, it's the first time someone like spoke about them.
Someone addressed the room.
Yeah, so it's like
it's yeah, and you can. I mean, DJs. You always look at DJs like they're like the cool people.
Yeah.
Because they decide the vibe of a whole room.
Yeah.
You know, it's you always see them as a. You don't expect them to,
yeah.
but hey, they are humans too, and
I think what happens a lot now, if we were to go in deep into this with DJing, it's a very like as a
tough
profession.
profession.
Tough, I won't say, but tough to like make it.
Very competitive.
Yeah, competitive, or just like you need to have something which is different, which will get you like have people pay to come to watch you. Because as a DJ, you could start and then land a job at a club where you're playing there every night.
Yeah.
Then no one really knows you except for the people who go to that club,
The regulars.
the regulars, and then you're stuck with that. And also, it doesn't pay that well if you're not a well-known DJ
Fair.
who's getting booked. So like there are DJs who've been doing it for 10-15 years now, and they're still
I can.
stuck in the same place. So that frustration keeps building up.
But this
But
was
I think this is. I think for any profession, it more or less this holds true.
In any
And
creative, artistic
any
profession, if you're
creative-
stuck, it's very
Correct.
frustrating.
And it can be very frustrating. I get that. So also the thing is So when comedians make jokes, the intention does not get conveyed to some people. So the intention is not to say that you guys are shit. Or,
Yeah.
you know, intention is not to. It's a joke.
Yeah.
The joke is an observation. It's an observation from a person, like from a third person who's going to a nightclub. As a comedian, you look at things differently. It's a
Yeah.
joke. So the intention is not like I want to attack you. I want to
Yeah.
hurt you. Take care. But I don't think it gets in video when you put things on video. There is, and so when you watch a stand-up comedy show in a stand-up like in an auditorium or in a comedy club, the context is very different. You actually get the jokes. You don't get offended by it. You have a great time.
Yeah.
Because you know.
Because if
these
you
are jokes.
feel like you're getting offended, also you feel like a loser because everyone else is laughing around you. So you're like, I'm the only one who's feeling bad. But at home, you're not hearing
No.
that. And when you hear the laughs, you'll be like, oh, he's put it in the background, or who are these idiots who are laughing at this?
Yeah, you get all of that. Also, that then the comments add to it, right? There is an opinion. Now it's not just a piece of content. It's like, so suppose he's written like, oh, this comedian is like, how dare he, or whatever. Then I read that and I'm like, yeah, man.
It validates your feeling.
Yeah, and then it feeds on to that. So
Yeah.
there is no, yeah. It
Turn
is
off
what it
comments
is.
when you post, huh? This
No.
time.
No, you can't turn off.
No, I mean,
I was kidding.
I can not read them.
Yeah,
That's a
you should.
choice.
But do you read them?
Not lot. I used to read them way more before, but now
You would reply also, I remember. Like,
there was a time I used to do that. Because, yeah, I used to reply.
Yeah.
Like I'll still reply the fun stuff, but I will not. Hopefully, not engage in a serious conversation. Serious conversation on internet
It's not.
or a
possible.
podcast doesn't make sense.
yeah,
It's
Yeah.
it's
it's pointless.
it is absolutely pointless.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean anything.
Yeah.
It's like love you too.
Where's the I?
There is,
सुना ही नहीं.
so नहीं है point नहीं है क्या what serious conversation.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I think this whole DJ thing also.
But it's not just DJs, no. So Gaurav Kapoor, I think Royal Enfield. If I'm not wrong, Royal Enfield.
The
What do you call the
community.
interest club? What do you call
Okay.
the supporters? They went because he had some jokes.
About
Physiotherapists had a thing with Rahul Dua, if I'm not
Because
wrong.
what did he say? That they're not doctors.
He had some joke about physiotherapists. I don't know.
I like how every comedian is associated
With one group.
one niche profession.
जिसे वो मार
Yeah. No, it became so it became so serious, and it was so funny for all comedians because they couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
Like they just couldn't believe it, but it was very serious. So my agency actually got one person to travel, like a hired security
Wow.
to travel, because I used to get threats. And like I said, Pune Comedy Festival, the organizers called me and they said ki on the day I was supposed to drive. They were like, drive to Pune. They're like, नहीं यार,
The DJs
मत आ
have
जाओ.
called us and
हाँ.
threatened us. They're gonna come and play really
ये आएगा
loud
तो पीट
music.
दे, ये आएगा तो उसको पीट देंगे.
भाई
तो-
पेन ड्राइव फेंक के मारेंगे.
See, these are all funny for you, not for me. See, these jokes, because
Just
and then I know what you mean. I so wish it had happened to someone else, so I could have
Have
laughed.
you gone
too.
to a night? Have you gone to a nightclub after this incident?
I'm gone now. It's cooled down.
should go to a festival where there's hundreds of DJs.
I think now they इतना नहीं है. I think now also I've noticed that the life
The longevity, yeah.
What's it? The
Cycle.
lifespan
Span.
of a controversy
Oh,
is
it's
reduced a
reducing.
lot
It's
now.
days
It's
and
become-
weeks now.
Now
Yeah.
it's less than days. Yeah,
Which is good.
it's good.
And now anything can be AI, which is even better.
Yeah.
AI tha. Like Gaurav Kapoor says in his AI. Yeah.
Yeah. People don't care anymore now. It's just one news cycle, 2-3 days. Like there's crazy things that happen, and people just like forget about it. Like the Pentagon will come and say we have found signs of alien life,
Oh,
and then there's 3 like articles, meme pages will post about it in that font.
yeah.
And
Then it's done. We
and
forgot.
people will
Like,
comment,
okay.
and then
Yeah.
it just like people go on with their lives as if we haven't just been told that aliens are real.
Yeah, but I think that's because we think what happens online is life. That is not people's lives. They're
Yeah.
living their life and they just come momentarily, comment something, or they scroll a lot, but they comment something and go. But people like us, whose jobs
Revolve
so
around,
much,
yeah.
we feel that they're all talking about this.
Yeah.
No one's really. People have gone ahead. उनको ट्रेन में चढ़ना है, उनको पहुंचना है टाइम पे. तो ऐसा मुझे लगता है guys.
Yeah.
आपको क्या लगता है? Same.
I think
जो उन्होंने बोला.
yeah, I think doing content or doing anything creative in which your outlet is online and social
Yeah.
media, it kind of detaches you from reality.
Which
Because-
is sad, no?
Yeah, because and for us we have this excuse that we need to be on top of everything that's happening online because we have to go
But
and
you
talk
don't have
about
to.
it. You don't have to. You don't have to. Like now when I'm using Instagram all the time, it's just like, yeah, it's a part of my job.
Yeah.
But I could do that within 15 minutes every day also
Okay.
and just like
Yeah.
know everything there is to know.
Or it's okay if you don't know everything.
Yeah.
It's okay.
These guys can see Instagram and comment.
I mean, it's.
We all share with each other.
I mean, it's okay if you don't know anything. Yeah, it's okay if you, if I mean, there are still so many things you don't know.
Yeah.
But scrolling has not got you. ठीक है, चलता है.
Yeah, I mean the best. I have come up with a way to have my algorithm at least have some useful information also. It's not just. But then every once in a while, like you see one meme and then you watch it twice because it was funny. So now the next one is also another meme because they were like, oh, he watched this twice, and then you get in this cycle of.
But you know what? If you unfollow everyone, I'm telling you, man, it actually reduces your time on Instagram.
Yeah.
Especially because first of all, you don't get pop stories of people you know. So suppose I used to follow Amin, now I have unfollowed. तो अभी मुझे नहीं आता, बट पहला रहता था अमीन का ऐसा एक स्टोरी रहता, क्या बोल रहा है अमीन, उसमें जाता था. देन आई वुड सी समथिंग एल्स, ओह देन दैट विल टेक मी टू, बिकॉज आई हैव मोर इंटरेस्ट लाइक दिस वॉयरिज्म अबाउट पीपल आई नो और लाइक पीपल हु आर फेमस, यू नो, यू हैव मोर ऑफ दैट, राइट? सो यू गो एंड यू वांट टू नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड देन यू आर स्टक इन दिस बबल.
This loop.
But if you don't follow, it's some random people. Stories to don't even show up.
Yeah.
It's some random feed. It's like, and then you don't spend a lot of time in that. It doesn't have that hook to keep you.
Yeah, I think this even Samay told me when he was like, I've unfollowed everyone because I said, oh, have you
But
done
Samay has a fake account from which he follows everyone.
Oh,
Samay क्या झूठ बोल रहा है इनको आगे? क्या हो रहा है?
ऐसा तो रणबीर कपूर के बारे में भी बोलते हैं because he's not on Instagram.
Yeah.
But they're like, he has an account where he goes and watches everything. That's so
okay.
lame though. Like just if you are making a fake account just so you can go and
Because
use this.
people, no, I think it makes sense because people like if I people the news is आजकल के न्यूज़ में है कि oh this
Who
guy, they have
unfollowed who?
unfollowed each other so there is a rift.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what it's not like they have bashed each other or like they
Journalism.
Yeah, man, I've been
no,
seeing.
but people have taken this unfollow follow so seriously.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
they do.
So if Ranbir Kapoor comes from his own, makes his own, and he sees a story, then like, oh, Ranbir saw a story, and people are, they'll make a story about that also.
Yeah,
Ranbir
yeah,
saw my story, and it's like, क्या
A lot
पका
of
रहा है
people
मैं?
pay
मतलब
attention to who watches their stories.
People
like
do.
that's
They
quite
just-
stupid. Like
नहीं,
how
I
do you have the
think
time
I
to
just-
go through thousands of views?
नहीं किया है मैंने भी
आ रहे हैं
पहले,
ना बस बाकी लोग को तो
पर मैंने भी किया है ये पहले. मुझे ऐसा मन करता था देखने को, and then
See who's watched your story.
I mean, so it doesn't make sense now.
Yeah.
But I know how it feels, how it is to be in that place where you are doing all of this. So lot of this is like कि क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, क्यों कर रहे हैं?
It's those games, man. It's like those silly
Yeah.
games you play.
I mean,
sometimes.
even when you're single, like you post a story and then you go and see which girls have seen it. Like, it's
when you're single.
when you're single,
Yeah.
obviously.
हमारे टाइम में ये नहीं था ना.
Yeah, what
Instagram
would
नहीं
you
था.
do? How would you
No,
play these games?
There's no game.
How
We
would you
just
get
wait
attention?
for
Yeah.
something to happen and someone to like us. It's hope and prayer is what.
Waiting at home.
Yeah.
Just hoping.
Yeah, I'll try to be good in debates and all.
Yeah.
Like actual debates.
Yeah, man. This
Yeah.
would be attractive for women.
I mean, that's what I thought because I can only do what I am good at. Football. I used to play football, but football is the most in college football. Indian college football is the most unattractive thing.
No, I think it's becoming attractive now.
Now it might be for sure because we're getting better at
Yeah.
it. But during my time, at
Turf
least in my
नहीं था वो
college,
time पे.
turf नहीं था, ground था.
But still, like no one has
But
the.
like basketball used to be
Oh,
very
it's-
attractive to
it's-
watch. It
yeah.
used to feel like अरे यार stud है यार ये क्या खेल रहा है. फुटबॉल में
fast.
ए इधर मार रहा है उधर आउट जा रहा है आधा टाइम तो कुछ एंड गोल मारा तो भी पता ही नहीं चला कैसे गया.
Yeah.
So
Net नहीं है.
नेट में
The ball is just gone that side, you know. it's a goal.
गोलकीपर का
Ground is-
चप्पल है तो ये सब.
Ground is dusty. The girls are
Yeah.
getting annoyed. There's dust flying in their
Yeah.
face, and so girls don't know the concept of tackling. So they just assume all these guys are falling down all the time.
But it looks like that. If you
Yeah,
watch
yeah,
from
no.
outside, it looks like we don't know. At least मेरे college में it was so bad. Dude, I was part of my college team, so already you know how bad it was. ठीक है.
Hey, come on.
And we played once against Don Bosco. Don Bosco यहाँ
It's a
मार्च
good team.
They're so good.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Then उनके नाम में Don है. तो अच्छा.
And Bosco.
And Bosco, bro. And they were like, I think we lost 5-0, 5-0 half time
Okay.
already.
Forfeit the game.
No, we can't do that.
You can't
Just
do that.
go.
Then you have to go and attend classes, right? So you have to finish the game. And then by then, so like at one point, the goalkeeper had come till the half line, take it, and so one of his the captain of the team like, "अरे पीछे जा," he's like, "आएंगे नहीं यहाँ तक." So insulting. It was so much, and we couldn't score. So
He was right.
he was right.
What position did you play?
Dude started off as left wing,
Wow.
and then by halftime I'm wherever wherever they're all running behind the ball. It's so bad.
Park the bus.
Yeah, no, not even park the bus. Like the bus is tired,
Puncture.
Bus is deflated.
punctured, deflated. Yeah. But
it
now you're saying the football
Yeah.
levels have gone up, so it's attractive to watch.
It is.
Cool.
I was also in my college team.
Yeah.
And there was this one tournament where everyone was like, some Reliance tournament, which was like they were recording it and you
Oh
could
yeah,
watch it
that
back
was very
also.
fun. That was very fun.
This Reliance had sponsored some crazy football tournament.
Mm.
I broke my ankle in the first 5 minutes of
Ouch.
that tournament.
Yeah.
This is when you were on crutches.
The only time where a match was fully being recorded.
What position did you play?
I was playing in midfield. I gave the ball away, so I had to chase because they were.
जाके
तो
ranty डाला किसी ने.
पीछे से I put my leg and like it just like
Yeah.
went.
Yeah.
That's why girls think that you
I
don't know
got
how
a
to
yellow
tackle.
card while I was on the ground with my broken ankle, and the referee was like, now's a good time to give him a yellow card.
तो हमारे टाइम में रेफरीज भागते ही नहीं थे. तो वो लोग ये एंड से वो एंड का कार्ड दे देते थे. Like, मतलब तुझे वहां से दिखा कैसे येलो कार्ड. डोंट आर्ग्यू विद रेफरीज.
If you argue,
Don't
you'll
argue.
get booked.
Yeah,
again.
then you get one more card.
Yeah. You can't abuse referees and all.
And they used to check nails and all.
Yes.
That was quite
Yes.
cute.
Yeah,
I like that part.
Someone's wearing a chain.
Yeah.
Yeah, chain and
Rings,
rings
watches and all, everything. Yeah.
My college jersey had that zipper,
So
and they were like, "Zip is not allowed."
तोड़ दो.
yeah, so we used to be like very like pumped up for a game, and especially if it's with a rival team or something, जिसके साथ हम लोग already like देख लेते, and then suddenly you're doing this. Everyone was like standing like this.
Everyone just cutely in one line.
So मेरा okay है क्या sir? Thank you sir. It's just like
Match
broke
के
the
पहले
whole
manicure-
tension.
manicure चल रहा है सबका उसके पहले. We used to get so even when I was growing up, we used to have society matches also.
Yeah, that was
Inter society.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ,
हमारे.
that was to
Those
be
were
hard.
more intense than even college matches.
नहीं,
because
because
you knew them personally.
yeah, and you have to live with them for the rest of the year. Like बाजू में ही रहने वाले हो.
So they
कॉलेज वालों के साथ. अच्छा, इंटर सोसाइटी
Inter society like
is another society, right? Not just intra society.
no, not intra society. Oh, that also we used to have.
Yeah.
B building versus C building.
That was a Premier League, and you're talking about the
Yeah,
Champions League.
Champions League.
It is the Munjal Nagar versus Chara Nagar.
And the way it would happen was also so funny because like you would be just downstairs playing in the evening, everyone's. Then suddenly you see a group of kids from the other society who barge into your society
Yeah.
and ask for a match.
हो
It's
जाए.
like full Pokemon ki you're just walking around and
Challenge.
suddenly
What was at stake?
nothing.
Respect.
Respect.
Yeah.
इज्जत.
नहीं बस मतलब मैच के बाद फ्रूटी का पैकेट और वो सब.
क्रिकेट में तो बॉल होता था. Like
You all have to give up the ball.
yeah. Yeah.
To lose, you give
The
the
balls
ball.
are on the
Yeah.
line.
Yeah, I mean
The You guys have turned. You're still. Are you sure? 25? You guys have reached.
Every once in a while it creeps in.
Every
my
once in a
past.
Past creeps.
My past.
I don't think as a guy you will ever get tired of dick jokes. I don't think that happens.
Yeah.
Like
Depends on
It's
what
ever-
the joke is. If it
Yeah.
has to be a good
it
one,
has to be a good one.
Yeah.
Like, the quality has to increase.
Yeah.
quality has
Dick
to
jokes
increase.
are also like
Some good.
Dick jokes are hard.
gay.
It's not easy, guys.
Yeah, it's got to be some good
You
dick.
gotta keep it coming.
Dude, why am I doing this? This is what you guys said, right? I'll break.
See you
After
after
15
It's
minutes.
been 16 minutes precisely. I told you.
The dick jokes are out.
The dicks are out.
Big jokes.
Something happens. There's something that happens when like a group of boys hang out.
Yeah.
Like eventually,
Some degeneracy.
There is
creeps in.
I think there is a excitement in saying the shameful stuff.
Which
When
you
boys
can't
are-
say in otherwise in
It feels like a
society.
safe space, the bull with the bull.
कोई कुछ-
So you say the like vilest of things
Yeah.
in that
And then
game.
because
everyone-
no one can feel bad. If
Yeah.
you feel bad, you're a pussy.
And
Like,
that's why I think Instagram is a problem. Because now people are doing it on Instagram.
yeah.
And that's like Instagram has become life.
But
What
it's
used
becoming
to-
funny.
It's not that.
Kya funny.
I've begun to enjoy Instagram comments.
Oh,
Because people will comment the most stupid thing and everyone like just doubles down on it.
See, Instagram is like when you go to a party. Okay, when you go to a party and there is a group of boys who didn't get the memo that this is a party where it's not just you guys and there's other people also watching. So like the girls may
Watching.
get offended if you're making dick jokes. Instagram is a bit of that where there is a group who like kind of doesn't give a fuck that there's other people
Yeah.
also. Do you have a boys group?
yeah. My close friends are 3 of us. Boys,
Okay.
including me. 3. 3 boys. Dil
College?
Chahta Hai, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara,
3 idiots.
3 Idiots. And what's that? Oh, that's not. That's
That's
with
two.
Ananya Pandey.
Yeah.
Kabhi
Yeah.
tum mujhe milo to sapne mein aa jaogi. That one.
Yes, that one.
That one. I really like the. What's the name of the movie? I
Netflix
really
Kho Gaye
The
Hum
Kho Gaye
Kahan.
Hum Kahan. That's
Yeah.
a really nice
Yeah.
movie.
Yeah.
I can relate to it because Ananya Pandey is MBA in that. I'm an MBA in real
She's
life.
got an MBA in that movie.
I mean, not in the. She already had it in the movie.
Oh.
I think. Yeah.
I don't think she's.
She's an MBA. She's making. She's an MBA.
In the movies, yeah.
She's
Oh,
playing
what is she-
a character of an. How difficult is a conversation with your voice? It's like a basic conversation.
He's losing brain cells as he speaks.
नहीं, it's she has an MBA in the movie, bro.
MBA?
She is.
पहले M फिर B फिर A.
How do we spell MBA?
G. She's an MBA in that movie, and she is working for some company.
Okay.
Because she's making presentations, and that's what we MBAs do. PPT. So cool. You guys never made it, right?
We made.
In college.
Amin's good at making PPTs.
Amin looks like a creative person in
Yeah.
like performing art, no fine arts person.
Fine arts.
Yeah.
I did presentations in college, yes.
Were you the introduction slide guy?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Opening.
I will come
opening
and
man.
introduce everyone.
And then go back.
My
Then
job.
I would
उसके
like-
बाद last slide पे आता
One
है.
topic I would take.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, one topic.
Would you make the whole presentation?
Like because I would do the intro and
Uh-huh.
then they'd be like, okay, this guy we're not seeing until the end, and then suddenly third topic
Surprise.
cameo.
I'm back.
But are like MBA presentations like very intense? Because we
What?
will never get the pleasure to do.
Never had a
We
job.
can.
None of us are ever going to do an
you're
MBA.
doing
bro.
you're doing right now. You're self-employed. That's
Yeah,
your job.
no, but I'm saying like a
Desk
traditional where I have had to present and
Okay. Do you want to?
actually we did.
You might be. You might do that. Okay. Say once this podcast is obviously on its way up, right? It's going to
Obviously,
be
I mean-
obviously it's so clear.
Duh.
All like it's
Obvio.
all these big
Obvio,
jokes are gonna
man.
make us millions.
Billions, baby.
You have to cater to the audience that exists, so you can't help that.
Yeah.
But it's definitely doing well, and you're going to get big deals at some point of time. And at some point of time, you might have to present to big like production houses as to why they should.
Yeah.
And you guys will be in blazer. I can don't do
Imagine
all
that.
of-
I won't do that. I'll keep my.
Yeah,
mouth
but
shut.
so that's a great point by Amin adding on to that, and you say
Yeah.
things like that. And so yeah.
presentation there है बाल खुजा रहा
Yeah. and then when like 2016, 20, 25, yeah, 26 का trend आएगा, तभी you'll put this.
We'll put this.
And people.
In college, it used to be fun though to do. Like we had this one African girl in our class, and she had a very thick African accent.
Okay.
So she did.
Pune
this,
में?
Yeah.
कौन सा
There are a
college
lot
है?
of
Symbiosis has a lot of Africans.
Which symbiosis? There are 295 symbiosis in
so
Pune.
one of them.
One of them. Okay.
In one of the classes, there was this African girl. And she did a presentation. And this girl, obviously, like these foreign kids, they don't talk much usually.
Yeah, they're a bit.
Especially in the first few weeks. they're
No.
like,
Yeah.
I wonder why, especially with approachable, nice people like you around, what's stopping them from being social?
Themselves.
I tried my best to get along.
Okay.
She seemed a bit racist. She was like... I'll
She was
only-
a racist?
Yeah, she was like, I'll only talk to people
My community.
Yeah, but
Anyway,
then she did this presentation, and this is the first time like everyone was like hearing her speak at length.
Yeah.
She had like a thick African accent. So the presentation just went on for really long.
Huh.
At the end of it, she got a standing ovation.
But they could understand what she's saying.
No, it was just for the attempt.
Oh.
That like we hadn't
Also-
heard her speak ever, and then she comes and does this presentation and in her accent, which most people didn't understand.
But
we were just like,
this is
it was a good moment.
it's a good moment. But I have faced this too.
In MBA college?
No, when I did stand up first time abroad, I has to be very conscious. MBA with my accent, bro, these guys never got my, because I have a very thick British accent, right? You guys
Yeah.
can see.
Yeah, it's too British.
It's
It's
too
Irish
British.
almost.
Scouse accent.
He's a Scouser.
Yeah. So when I first did like Melbourne International Comedy, I was very conscious about whether they'll get my accent or not, because they don't get it in normal conversation unless they're really paying attention, and that they do only with people they like. So in normal conversations, they're not paying attention. So it's the most like, excuse me. अच्छा भाड़ में बात ही नहीं करना है तेरे साथ, ठीक है? But when you're on the stage, it's slightly different because they are paying attention. You have a mic, so you're loud, and there's no distraction.
Yeah.
But there was so much baggage in my head of shit, समझेगा कि नहीं. I used to slow everything down, used to speak slowly. तो मुझे पता है कैसे कि, and I also got standing ovation.
Yeah.
Now I know
For the
why. Now I know why.
No, but I've seen some of those videos.
Yeah, but
You've killed in them.
yeah, I know. Thank
Lots
These
of South
white
Indians.
aunties are laughing and clapping.
Yeah?
No, white Gen Zs. I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah, but no, but I don't. I think I still think when I do stand up in India, which is my comfort zone, or with Desi public, I'm more. There's a better flow to how I speak.
Yeah. Also, is it that the stand-up that you're doing here is you're doing it multiple times, like and the ones that you're doing there?
But वहाँ भी मिलता है ना. You do open mics, you practice.
Okay,
till
you
get-
go earlier and do.
But
Yeah.
there's still white people only, know, that you're performing to there.
MICF में Edinburgh Fringe में mostly मतलब देसी लोग तो रहते हैं, they come, but like especially the gala night, the ones जिसका वीडियो बाहर है, उसमें it's mostly Australians.
Yeah.
Australians, yeah. But होता है थोड़ा
You
सा.
enjoy those shows?
When I do it, I enjoy it. But every time I've come back and I perform for अपने लोग, I feel ये है यार, ये है मेरा audience वाला
Yeah.
feeling आता है. It's अपना it's so I think performing to your audience, own audience is it's a different high. I do like that also, but I love this.
And if you're saying your own audience, like, is it a specific city or just like
नहीं,
anywhere
नहीं,
in India?
नहीं, मतलब जो ओन ऑडियंस, मतलब जो ऑडियंस मुझे देखने के लिए
हाँ,
पैसे
हाँ,
दे के आए. जनरली इट इज टिपिकली बॉम्बे, सॉरी टिपिकली इट्स मुंबई, दिल्ली, बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई, कोलकाता,
So everywhere.
पुणे.
He's getting everything right. Bro wants to sell more
Hyderabad.
tickets.
But that is like that is true in DJing also. Like our best shows are the ones that people have bought ticket to come to see us, or like shows in Pune because it's hometown. So they're like, oh, it's our boy playing.
But your art is more universal.
Way more universal.
Actually, so is comedy. Like, but I think your art is even, there's no language, right?
Yeah.
In the sense, I can still
there
enjoy
is-
music even if I don't. I enjoy
Yeah.
music of languages I don't understand. So even if you perform tomorrow at Tomorrowland, which you will, at that point of time,
Thank you.
Of course you will, bro. Dude, it's a matter of when you are free. And so when you do,
Dates.
yeah, I don't think you're going to be nervous about, oh my God, will this audience understand me? You might be just nervous about, I'm
Yeah.
ready for this stage.
Yeah.
And they'll go crazy. And they'll be like, we just want this boy every day. And you'll be like, time nahi hai. So you're like, yeah, hi, मेरे audience. You'll come back.
I have to play at car social. That's where my calling is. This is Belgium and all is fine.
One time watch.
Just
देश की धरती.
because they've asked too many times. I can't keep canning them.
Yeah.
So I'll take the flight to Belgium.
It's almost like someone calls you for a podcast 10 times. At some point, you have to go, right?
Yeah.
Some point. You have
Can't
to-
keep making up excuses.
But let me
I will
be.
attach the DMs here.
No.
Please.
Yeah. Dude, AI है आजकल हर DM. You
Oh
can't
yeah,
prove
that whole
anything.
even when this scandal came out,
What scandal?
like of men messaging underage women.
It wasn't underage, first of all. That was just some of them.
That's what I'm saying.
Not all
So-
men.
Yeah, I'm
Not
not
all
saying
men
not
message. Some
not
of them
all
are just
men.
creepy to people of age.
Yeah. Some of them are creepy to people of age, some of them are creepy to minors. So then there was some page, like you can go on a website, put in someone's username and have like a two-way conversation and make screenshots out of that.
Okay.
So
Oh,
that is
that's
what,
just
that was
messed
either PR agencies being very smart saying that this is what happened
So
with
I
our
can
boy.
make a conversation with Lionel Messi.
Yeah.
Where he's saying he's a
Lionel
big
is
fan
like-
of my stand-up.
Yes.
And I'm like, I like your football too.
Yeah. There is a page like that apparently which lets you do this.
All right. I don't want to share it. I just want to keep it to myself.
Wallpaper.
Look at it and smile.
Just look at it. Dude, I once had a dream about me and Messi. Messi is my favorite footballer. I think, and I've had a dream about me and Messi are friends. It's so weird.
You guys are hanging out.
Hanging out कहाँ पर? पेड़ के ऊपर. Like पेरू पता है ना? गुआवा
पेरू का झाड़.
पेरू का झाड़ के ऊपर पता नहीं कहाँ है. हम लोग कहाँ है वो सब नहीं डिसाइड किया.
हाँ.
We're just talking and it's talking about like यार इतना pressure है ये.
In Hindi.
भाई बहुत प्रेशर
वो तो
है
बहुत
English भी नहीं
pressure
बोलते.
है.
Can't even speak English.
सपने में क्या बोलते
उसको मैंने सिखा दिया था. तो मैं बहुत प्रेशर है यार ये क्या इतना एक्सपेक्टेशन. मैं बोला आई अंडरस्टैंड.
Same road, bhai.
Then I was giving him gyan which I learned from LinkedIn, like be yourself. Okay. Don't change yourself for the audience. ठीक है, your audience will find you, ये सब बोला. And he found it very inspirational. He was on my thanks.
Won the World Cup that year.
We didn't, the dream didn't specify a year, so I don't know. We were both wearing shorts, which is okay for him because he plays football.
Yeah.
But I was also wearing shorts. And not like,
You also played football.
yeah, but it was not those kind of shorts. It was just like the ones you were wearing. So was
You
there.
remember this dream so specific.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you think it's happened just once? Yeah.
But I've had multiple dreams in which
First of all, I really love the flow of this podcast.
Yeah.
It is so, there's no,
It's so flowing.
It's like Messi dribbling. You just never know.
I guess Messi fans.
Yeah, I love
Yeah,
Messi.
fans, I don't know. I think he's the best ever.
Okay, that's fair.
Best to ever do it.
Fair. Respect for
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
opinion.
Because I've seen him do things that
I haven't.
only he can do.
Yeah.
So has he in his dreams.
We're quite thick.
In dreams.
Yeah.
So that way, I've had multiple interactions with Shah Rukh Khan. in
Oh,
my dreams. Yeah.
okay.
Where were you?
I've had this dream of me introducing him to my mom because my mom is a big Shah Rukh Khan fan.
And introducing them.
No, like I know him, and I was like, oh, you should, yeah.
Meet Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan, meet
Mummy,
mom.
Mummy, in case you didn't know, Shahrukh.
Yeah, so I've had this dream multiple times.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's insane.
That's nice.
Recurring dream of
Yeah.
you meeting
Matlab
Shah
in
Rukh.
different scenarios.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like different places.
Yeah. This
Suddenly.
one time I went
Bus
to a
stop में
party.
एक बार.
एक बार घर आया था वो, एक बार मैं मन्नत गया था.
How's Manat? This is very good. We've heard great things. Please.
It was fun. Good. It was a good party.
Good party.
Good party. Good
Yeah.
party.
Living
Shah Rukh throws the best parties,
That's true, man.
and he also comes with you till outside to drop you.
He does that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll also start going now. Whoever comes, I also drop them.
You also drop Shah Rukh.
He's our Shahrukh Khan.
मतलब when we throw parties at
Shahrukh
Rock
Khan
Valley.
पहले तो-
I was like, अरे आप OTP दो ना, आप पीछे पीछे क्या हो रहे हो? लो
They're like, we
पैकेज
just want to
लो.
leave this house. He's like, I'll drop you till town.
शाहरुख खान से लोग क्या क्या सीखते हैं?
Girls are getting uncomfortable in the lift. But
It's just him and a girl in the lift and he's watching her.
But this is, I think now there's a lot of we do, right? Like on social media, find so much of performative,
Performative
I'm a
male.
good
Yes, yes.
person type
Yes.
thing. One of my things which is like you said, I've started enjoying reading comments.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that is irrespective of the nature of the comment. It can be the vilest thing or
Correct.
the experience of reading a
Yeah.
comment and not knowing what you'll get. Right?
Yeah.
The thing about how people take a video of them doing something nice for someone else.
Yeah. That is.
I'm like I enjoy watching this so much because everyone's watching it for what a good deed. I'm just watching like क्या कर रहा है तू? ऐसे कौन करता है? कैमरा कौन लगा? Have you guys done it? You guys are very quiet already. Is this something that you can
That was our form of content. That's how we started.
I've seen that. And
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
so like the people at the supermarket who will have you seen those where they go and be like, oh, I can't afford my bill
Yeah,
is like
can you-
$7. Can you
And then
please
they
cover
were,
for me?
because you were so honest, take एक
Yeah.
जायदाद मेरे घर की पूरा.
Yeah, they give 7 and they're like, you know what?
I'm
I'll
gonna
take
cover
700.
Yeah.
And I've seen the opposite ones also where they
They've
prank.
taken it
where
back
they
from
prank
people.
people. No, this guy. He
That's
goes
too
to some
funny.
guy who's working at McDonald's. Okay. उसको जाके पूछता है.
Like if I give you $10,000, will you quit your job right now?
नहीं, he asks him कि
Yes, it's like only $2.
He'll go and ask him how much can I give you and then you'll quit your job and live your
This is
dream.
in a McDonald's.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो वो बोलता है I'll do it for like $1,000. Like that's cool. Give me a Big Mac.
No, he waits. He's like $1,000. And that guy, like, he builds anticipation. And the guy who's behind the counter goes,
Give me 2 fries.
1,000. Yeah. He's like, okay.
Too bad.
And then he pulls out his pocket. He's like, 2 fries.
Pays his bill.
He feels so
Pissed
bad,
off.
man.
Yeah.
It's just torture, bro. I feel like I don't fuck with that sort of stuff.
That's funny, bro.
But it's yeah,
Is
you're-
it so?
You're really.
I mean, it's not funny.
It's not
It
funny.
is.
It's
I mean,
not
it
funny,
is-
but then
it
they
is
put
funny,
sound effects also.
but it's not. वो क्या? What is this? ये नया है ना?
It's a new,
It's the new
sound effect. Like trending.
Can you put this on this one?
We'll make a reel.
Here in the real episode, we'll put fa.
बट ये क्यों नहीं वो जो कर रहा है देखो कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऐसा है कि जिसने वीडियो निकाला दैट पर्सन डिसाइड्स द नैरेटिव
Yeah.
तो he's not going to put up the part where the guy
Of
gives
course.
it back or like has a nice
Sometimes they
reply.
do. Sometimes they do.
Sometimes they do, but they also
So that
like
they get that.
the percentages are so less.
Yeah,
that's
that's
also
very
to show that you know what I've made it realistic. चल पट कुछ नहीं. So
Another thing that now
I think I've
is-
become very cynical. I just get it from this. I look at Instagram and I just get angry.
it's a good place to be because the other option is that you believe everything and you don't
That will
wanna be
make you
that
hate
loser.
stuff more, I think.
Yeah, like you've seen these people who do like street interviews.
Yeah.
And then it's just like it was fun for a while.
Vox pop.
Yeah,
Vox
it was fun for a while, but now,
It's
non-scripted
it's all
ones are good.
planted. Now it's everything is planted, bro. Most things I'm telling you.
bro, even the non-scripted ones, like I don't like. Who cares about that person's opinion? Like, why am I taking these random opinions from? Like, it'll be a couple, and then they'll make them fight. They'll be like, "Oh, would you guys be open to exchanging your phones?" And the girl is not open to giving her phone, and the guy is like, "Hey, what the fuck?" And the guy is just standing like this with the mic while these two are having a full-blown relationship
Yeah.
crisis.
Yeah. This is
Like, what did you get by doing this?
voyeurism and likes and views.
Yeah, that's what Reddit is.
And yeah, but Reddit is still, it feels thoda sa insulated. It's private space. Maybe. I don't know. I have not used
No,
Reddit.
so Reddit is so fully anonymous. Like everyone's username is like green,
Lantern.
yeah, green
257.
pineapple 674.
Uh-huh.
So you don't even. So the anonymity is crazy.
Yeah.
You can say whatever you want. So, like all of these gossip. Have you seen these gossip channels on Reddit, where it's just
No.
like.
The only time I've seen Reddit is when someone sent a link saying, "Oh, you think iska kya ho gaya?" And I remember the feeling of enjoying reading it and then feeling very kya ho gaya? What am I doing? But I enjoy. I get the kick of reading it.
It's like an online gossip auntie session,
Yeah.
like where everyone.
it is gossip, and we love gossip as human beings.
Yeah.
So you're saying?
No, what was I saying?
This is a Reddit.
Just about the gossip pages.
It's just
Gossip
that only.
page.
Before, like, my mom would call her friend, and then they would call the other friend, and they would sit and they would like, oh, you heard this happened with this lady, this auntie, her daughter did this. Now the same thing is happening on Reddit, where they're discussing like actors or influencers or just whatever. I mean, that's just a subsection of Reddit. A lot of it is useful also. Like, there are a lot of DJing Reddits where you can look for advice, and also they post your video and they're like, fuck this guy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Only time I have used,
Discussion.
actually I have used Reddit, I remember when, to find illegal football streams.
There was a time,
There
yeah.
was a time when it used to be very useful. Yeah, that was the only
Find
time.
those links.
Illegal football streams, and this, you know why I used to watch illegal football streams? Because you want to watch it on your laptop.
Something like that, or you're in
TV,
another, you're in a, or if you're in another country wherein you don't have your Hotstar or something.
Yeah, or like you have school the next day and your dad won't let you stay up and watch TV. So you have to see it in your phone under the blanket.
I didn't have a phone in my school times.
Yeah.
I didn't have I had a dad, no phone.
So you would watch
Blanket you had?
Champions League.
What happened?
Blanket was there, no?
Blankets there, Baba. Of course. What do you think?
So just dad and blanket.
Dad, blanket, no phone.
I liked how like mobile nahi hai to blanket raha hoga. So concerned.
So then how did you talk to your friends, like landline?
मेरे स्कूल टाइम में लैंडलाइन था एंड देन बाय माय कॉलेज टाइम एंड ऑफ माय कॉलेज वी हैड मोबाइल phones.
Okay. Did you do drop
But it was all trust. We used to be like, hey, let's meet there, and then it's just
Yeah, you just have to be there.
waiting there.
That's crazy.
Good old days, bro. Even we've done that.
हाँ, but school में.
So 4th standard ka batch. I was in this other school where there were only 10 kids in my class. And we had made this pact for some reunion somewhere like after 20 years or whatever. I just don't remember the date and the place.
The most
I had
important.
written it down somewhere. So now I wonder if anyone's going to show up to that reunion.
अरे पर कहाँ वो तो
Abhi to y'all can message each other, na? They can be like, oh,
Yeah,
I
you
remember
know
this
them,
boy
na?
from class.
Yeah, that's
But what's the fun in that?
You have to guess. Everyone goes
Udna-
different parts of the world waiting. It's been 20 years.
Then how did you talk to girls in school?
How did you talk to girls? You need phones to talk to girls. You just talk to them.
No, no.
in
What do you
school
mean?
like in
I
person.
think around 7th, 8th standard, your
Yeah.
friend circle goes from only boys to
Few
it's
girls.
It's a boys
Yeah.
and yeah.
No, that I know. But then if you went home and you like this girl, you want
Mom's
to talk
phone.
to her.
मॉम के पास भी फोन ही नहीं था भाई.
Oh, phone
मॉम के पास
This was
नहीं थी
landline
phone.
time.
Oh,
हाँ.
damn.
तो कभी कभी we used to do this. We used to have landline numbers, so we'll call. And then some girls, उनके घर पे they were strict, so they'll be like 2 missed calls मतलब
Yeah.
I know you called, something like that. So there's a few codes and all. So yeah, we used to use. And then yeah, internet came. And then
Shortly after the dinosaurs.
then the internet came, and then we used to have these chat channels. Yahoo Chat.
Messenger.
Dude, that was fun.
Yahoo Messenger even.
Orkut
Yahoo
was
Messenger,
also there.
MSN Messenger.
Yeah.
Orkut came.
MSN? No one, none of us used it.
MSN
we
we
used,
didn't.
we used MSN.
That was your Facebook.
No, Facebook was Facebook. This was MSN Messenger, and the thing we used to have chat. IRC. I don't know if you guys know IRC.
IRCTC.
IRC. So basically, it's like a universal. You can go and you can have your own username, talk to random people from across. It's like,
Like
and there is a public chat, and then you can also DM someone. So I think we used to do all of that. Crazy, bro.
Yeah. Yahoo Messenger, I remember we used to go to chat rooms.
You know what was
all
my
bots.
Yahoo Messenger ID?
What?
Yes.
Something related to Liverpool, maybe.
No, bro.
Some
I was trying
Big
to.
dick.
I was no, bro.
Captain Big Dick.
No, man. Quite close. It was _stud guy.
that's just the new way of saying big dick.
The _stud guy has a little bit of class.
This stud was a thing. Saying
Stud
stud was a thing back in
Hunk,
the day.
and then Hunk came in at some point of time. Hunk left, and then yeah.
What is it now?
Stud was usually
भाई, वो
used
तो stud आदमी है भाई.
sarcastically.
Yeah.
Stud आदमी हो गया तू.
Yeah,
someone
stud हो गया.
like someone like passes by a girl's bench, you're like, Stud.
No, even if you have like a 2-second conversation, like book diya, stud. Tu stud hai.
Stud. Hey, both a stud.
Yeah.
I agree. So that was my. In fact, me and my close friend, we couldn't have, both used the same ID.
Stud guy 1, stud guy 2.
No,
Stud
the
guys.
underscore stud guy. We were both people. So like, I think we had shifts.
Running that account.
Bipolar. That girl is wondering why is he talking different.
Dude, it was, it's such a funny incident. Varun Thakur, and they have a podcast.
Yeah.
This.
So it's like long. I was on the podcast and I was talking about this one incident. Then we met someone through that. So me and my friend met, and we started talking, and we also like exchanged landline numbers, and then we called, and then we confessed on the phone to her that actually we are two people, we're not one. Like, before meeting, and she's like, you know what, we are also two people. We're like,
Let's go.
wow. And then we met in Lokhandwala McDonald's and
Let's
all that.
go. Get that happy
and we
meal,
went late because there's no phone, and we went like 1 hour late, and then we reached there, and then I think they were disappointed with us, we were disappointed with them, and it it was like 2 minutes of talking, and then they left, and then we went back to a cyber cafe. The underscore stud guy is back. But I recounted this story, okay, and it's so funny that I did this story, and the girl
Reached
Now
out.
you all are married.
no.
No.
And reached out, and it was so cool that she remembered,
yeah.
and yeah, that's what happened.
Oh wow.
That's insane.
Bro, so I know someone.
He's so unimpressed. He moved on like
Yeah.
in a second.
No. So it's a
Fuck this stupid story
similar
of
Can you,
stud guy.
can you add gap so that we can show more people getting?
You just pause
I
the
have a
screen.
similar story.
While he was
I got-
saying wow, he's already moved. Wow.
Anyway, stud guy.
Guys, I like you both more.
I have a
More?
similar story. That's why I got excited.
No,
Now,
please.
now hold on.
It's
Okay, stud guy.
childlike excitement which you guys fully killed. I get it. I know someone who met
Anyway.
Let's celebrate stud guy over here.
Taste of your own medicine, bro. Dude. No, but no, please continue, Aman. You know someone?
who met someone on Yahoo chat room. There were these two brothers. This one guy started talking to this girl, and
Anil and Mukesh.
Oh my god.
Anil and Sunil.
Sunil and
And
Mukesh.
Anil. No, Anil and Sunil.
Anil and Sunil. Okay.
It has to be rhyming, no?
I think he didn't. Okay, fine. Yeah.
so the younger brother was talking to this girl who was older than him, and he was just chatting with her for days. Like then they decided to meet. Now this guy is like, fuck, I can't go and meet this girl. She's gonna know that I'm younger. So he goes to his older brother. And he's like, yeah, see, this girl I've been talking to, but now she wants to meet. I'm like 17 years old. She's 25 something. So I can't go and meet her. You go. This guy is like, bro, what? Like, I don't wanna. Who's this girl? Why?
Yeah.
You've met her on. I don't even know if it's a girl. Somehow he gets convinced to go on this date. They go on this date. They're married now.
No.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Anyway.
I have a similar story. That's a great. Wow.
That is insane.
So the older brother-
Got married to the girl, yeah.
That's so weird.
Assist.
Assist.
Crazy assist.
Unintentional assist.
That's
Crazy
a,
assist. Yeah.
It was a shot, but he
Yeah.
put his head in.
He put his.
this guy's a Ronaldo.
That's what I was just about to
Ball was
Ronaldo
going
jumps.
in, he kicked it in anyway. That's
Cristiano
crazy.
Ronaldo.
He feels bad, I'm sure.
This is such a boy
younger brother.
episode.
He could
Yeah.
Ronaldo reference to girls will also get.
No, yeah, they don't know how he tried to steal goals or something.
Now they know.
Yeah, now they learn.
He wasn't like that. After that one, Nani tried to steal his goal and was offside. After that, he was like, मैं ही मारता हूँ.
Such a good goal. Fucking Danny doing his bicycle flips over there.
This proves, bro, like a good man like gets his heart
Villains are
broken.
born. Villains are born.
He will do shit like this.
Every time someone else steals Ronaldo's goal, he's like, Nani yaad aa gayi."
Danny the player, by the way. For all the women watching.
Don't look at me and say that. Let's look at the camera.
Nani.
Women have
woman.
clicked off.
Nani is
bro,
a Portuguese player who also played for United.
Left winger.
And
Such a forgettable player, though.
No,
Like,
he was
not.
what?
What is wrong
he
with
was
you?
that for how good he was
No,
and
man.
how less he's spoken about.
Like his
is what I'm-
legacy, if
His
you say
legacy
is
is not
There's
Not
that
that
one
much.
goal he stole from.
No, yeah.
no, his
He
legacy
was
is
extremely talented, and some would say more skillful than Ronaldo. Some would say that. Yeah.
The stud guy would say that.
The underscore. Don't forget the
Underscore,
underscore.
sorry.
Yeah, but you're right. I think you actually explained it correctly.
Yeah, when you speak, people speak more about like Ben Arfa and Adil Tarap. They were like, oh, the streets won't forget. Nani, no one talks about like
Yeah.
that. I don't
Yeah,
see
but-
Nani edits. I don't see
We'll make now.
his
Yeah.
PR team is not working. well.
Yeah, I see.
Hashtag
I see
support
the-
Nani.
Yeah. What is he even doing now? No one-
Nani?
I don't know.
Nani, he's doing Nana. I don't know what he's doing.
No, in terms of like crazy things that a player did, Ben Arfa and Tarap did way more crazier things than Nani ever did.
Nani
Just
also did
saying.
crazy things, bro.
They're not as good as
But
Ben
Nani
Arfa
was
or
quite
Tarap,
a
bro.
decent footballer.
Yeah, he was
He was a
amazing.
very good
He was
footballer.
amazing.
For a while, bro.
Yeah.
Too good.
Yeah. Good times.
Yeah.
That time, like people say, so when we talk about watching football, I say it'll never be as fun as it used to be.
Prime Barclays.
But is it that the football has changed, or is it that we have changed and we're just reminiscing?
Football has changed immensely. Bro.
Of course,
It's
but
evolved
like the kids are
Yeah.
still watching it and enjoying
No,
it.
it's like me. And you are stuck in your past.
Yeah.
It's like me talking about you guys. Like हमारे टाइम में ऐसा था. It doesn't make any sense. हो गया टाइम खत्म हो गया. तो you have not moved on.
Yeah,
What-
because that feeling for me is associated with 5 p.m. First of all, you have to
Yeah.
get out of tuition or doing homework
Ah.
to watch a match
Yes.
and go to a friend's house, and you're just so looking forward to it for the whole week.
Yeah, man.
Now you can watch a football game anytime. Like no one's gonna stop you. You can, considering what work we also do, you can just put everything off and
Yeah.
watch it. It doesn't mean.
I mean, now
You don't earn it anymore.
you still can earn it.
But
It's just-
every generation feels
Yeah.
that about the
Do you still watch football?
yeah man
Yeah.
yeah
Like every weekend.
yeah and
Nice.
midweek also
Champions League also.
Yeah.
FA Cup.
yeah
Carabao.
निकल गया but हाँ हाँ but
Pre-season friendlies.
दिखते नहीं ना रेडिट से नहीं बट आई हाईलाइट्स तो देख लेता हूँ मैं बहुत आई लव वाचिंग
You
Same.
play also still.
टफ
Yeah.
once in a while
If someone.
but
has
it's
a
not
plan.
it's very chill it's not like a competitive one like used to be
How do you play chill? Like no matter how chill it is, it gets competitive.
No,
on
it
some-
doesn't.
No.
if everyone is at beyond a certain age and especially if our job is us us being if I am injured I have no job no one can replace me right same for you guys so we're a little more careful and you know what the injuries don't heal so fast anymore
Yeah, they take a long time.
like I think if you twisted your ankle right now you might and say no ligament here just a twist kitna din 3-4 din you'll be fine.
I mean, the reason I have stopped playing football is because of the injuries only. Because
Okay.
every time you go to play, something will happen,
Yeah.
and then it's just even if it's nothing serious and it's gonna go away in a week, you're living in that pain for 1 week and it affects everything else. It's just not worth it. I feel.
Okay, fair. Yeah, so it's something like that.
Yeah.
So if all of us are like that, we are not. None of us play rush. There's no sliding tackle
Yeah.
and all. It's
There
just
is always
fun.
that one guy though
Yeah, we
who takes
remove
it
him.
too seriously.
उसको निकाल देते हैं हम लोग.
उसको निकालना पड़ता है.
निकाल देते हैं. एक और ग्रुप बनता है.
Without
WhatsApp
him.
ग्रुप उसके बिना वाला.
Nice.
हाँ, मेरे बिना भी बना रह सकता मुझे पता नहीं. बहुत दिन से आए नहीं कुछ फुटबॉल गेम का अपडेट.
The group has moved on.
Yeah, maybe they want a little sliding tackles.
You
That's
got
why
released from the club
I got released. Yeah.
without communication official.
Contract is terminated.
Comunicado oficial. But that's why people have started playing all this pickle and paddle because it's no injuries, and then
Okay.
you can go and have.
no injuries.
I mean, it's
उसमें भी हो
very
सकता है
little.
bro,
Chances
running-
are lesser maybe.
Yeah.
Bro, it's not a
Can
contract.
play
लगने
play
वाला.
carom, no?
Carom is actually a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is. We should play carom.
Carom in the summer
Yeah.
under the AC.
You camel also in the summer.
Without the AC.
Without the
Different
AC.
place.
Yeah. Carom is fun, bro. Now I keep seeing those Pakistani carom videos.
They're so good, bro.
Pakistani
You
The
guys
one
see
that and they
the
say
big-
this.
He'll look there and he'll first shoot and then he'll do. And
How
he'll just
true are
wait.
they? How are they edited? They
It's
look
I don't
good.
think
It's
so,
pretty
bro.
real.
His name is
Like,
Raja
You've seen
Karam or
those-
something
you've
like
seen
that, bro.
those, big carom, like it's like that hollow circle. The Pakistani carom is different. It's like a bigger table, and the striker is like this big.
I've
If
never
the striker
seen
is
this.
that big, anything is going to go
I think they've just zoomed it.
No,
Camera.
it's a different
Like
carom.
those are real, but
And what's a hollow circle?
Hollow circle.
Back in the day, my grandmom could also do shit like
Nani?
that. Nani ke skills and moves.
Too good.
1987
Like
season.
whole.
Carom boards are made of stone. In fact, while people all over the world play on wooden carom boards, in Pakistan, people use carom boards made of marble. The marble is specially
Pakistan's doing well, huh? Marble पे खेल रहे हैं.
powder to play on them. The pieces slide very
सब पैसा इधर जा
This
रहा है.
doesn't look fun.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
does.
this is boring.
This is like ice hockey.
ऐसा लगता है खेलने के बीच में कोई तो उधर रखे पनीर टिक्का मसाला रख देगा प्लेट में. This doesn't look fun.
This is too big a circle. नहीं, you need that
We're
छोटा
talking about
striker.
the carom
Yeah,
Carom. Or camel.
or camel in summer.
Yeah.
Should we get
A camel?
In summer.
a carom board?
Yeah, we should have a carom championship going.
Yeah.
We'll play once and then we'll forget about it.
Which rules do you guys play with? Like you either take black or white.
What?
You
Yeah.
can't just take black anymore.
You can take anything. You have to wait till you.
So the black is 10
is 5
white-
points, white is 10
No,
points.
boy.
10 and
नहीं
20.
रे.
Bro, that's just racist.
Queen is 50.
क्या तुम लोग कौन सा गेम खेल रहे हो?
Of course.
You're playing that where everyone is on their own.
Yeah,
Carom
each man for himself.
नहीं वो नहीं है. कैरम का एक्चुअल ये होता है कि there are teams and the idea is to you have to one of you is white, the other team is black. You finish yours and they finish yours. And if you hit the
So it's
queen,
like
cover.
you have to have a follow or cover.
Like pool.
Pool, it's pool.
Yeah,
only.
it is pool in like a small circle with your fingers.
Yeah, but my aim was you understood the rules.
Yeah, we understood that.
It can be like anything
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want. Yeah, but that's how. What you're saying, we used to call it popper. जिसमें ऐसा white का 2 points or
Popper
1.
is crazy. You know what popper is?
In
Popper
the
is a-
word.
Yeah.
One with no money.
No. This I don't know. Oh, that's PAU.
What?
Garib,
Oh,
garib.
you're talking about POPPER.
Yeah. It's this drug.
I wouldn't know, bro.
Popper.
Yeah, it's this drug that
wouldn't know, bro.
It's very popular in the
Midwest.
No.
in the
In the
in the
LGBTQ community.
no, not the full community.
Only the G community.
Only yeah.
What are they
Okay.
popping?
It's just this thing that you have to smell.
Okay.
It's like those those smelling salts which give you like those weightlifters you've seen.
I've seen weightlifters.
Yeah, so they take a sniff of this salt and then it's just like puts them in a
In a weightlifting mode.
yeah.
Like,
So these guys
gives them
are
a
also-
boost.
But this is like a different one, but it relaxes them.
Oh.
Like
So
a lot.
they drop the weights after this.
yeah, like
they drop.
the
They drop.
like
the baggage.
it relaxes your muscles.
How do you know all this, bro?
we have
Mr. Popper.
25, past 25, the wisdom.
we have
It
friends.
just comes in.
Huh?
we have
friends.
gay
But
friends. also.
you guys didn't know it.
No,
Yeah, he
we
taught us about it.
we
Ah.
learn. We live and
You
learn.
learned from him.
Yeah.
Out of respect for the community, I
Yeah.
try to learn as much as I can.
Are you?
All
Would you
the
say
details.
you're a friend of the community?
Of course.
Yeah. Do you have gay friends and stuff?
You
Of
said he
course.
only has 3 friends.
Oh, is one of them gay?
One including him.
I said only 3. I have only 3 friends.
He said 3 best friends.
3 close friends, I said.
Close, yeah.
Best friends.
Best
What,
friends, what
what
is
am I
it,
like?
like 20?
Kindergarten award. Best friend.
Best friends.
My best friend. After a certain age, your best friend can only you can say, "Oh, my wife is my best friend," and it's cute. Otherwise, it's
Yeah.
"Oh, he's my best friend."
Mr. Popper.
Satai Sarkar is my best friend.
What a,
Yeah.
interesting.
You learned something new today.
Actually, no, I unlearned a lot of things. I forgot a lot of things.
Too many brain cells were lost in this conversation.
Too many, yeah. But very interesting, I must say. I will definitely watch this podcast
Because to make sure.
to make sure
The cuts are made.
the cuts are made. Yeah.
Hey man, I was just trying to share my wisdom. You guys are not gonna.
Anyway.
No, yeah. No,
We
it's
appreciate,
something
yeah.
new. I
Yeah,
didn't know
yeah.
what it meant. So good.
Do you have anything to teach us before you go?
Yes.
One advice for the.
Oh, one advice.
No, 3. 1 for each of us so that we all have our own
Oh,
No,
advice.
He's not ChatGPT to give one for each.
Thanks, man. I was almost about to give, and then thanks, man. You got me an
Do you
Excel.
use ChatGPT a lot?
Dude, I've now reduced. I used to use it a lot, but I use it for like stuff like say if something health related I want to order, or what does this medicine do, or what does this model of camera do, and stuff like that. So things like that. So more like I use it as an advanced Google,
Yeah.
but
Never
not.
like as a. Have you ever had a conversation with?
Dude, I had, and I got freaked out, and now I don't. I had one conversation with ChatGPT voice,
Okay.
and I got freaked out.
What was it about?
It was just normal stuff. I was in a cab. I was just like, and earphones on. It almost looked like you're talking to another person, right? So I was just like, hey, ChatGPT. I'm on my way. I was in Trivandrum for a show, so I'm on my way, and I'm bored in my car. What should I do? And then it started speaking back, and it was like a normal conversation like this, and it knew exactly when to pause. It said, and after like 2 minutes, I was like, fuck, this is ridiculous. I don't want to get into this at all. It was freaky. And yeah, it sounds realistic, but I know it is a robot and
Yeah.
it doesn't have a brain of its own.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a conversation about anything emotional or anything like personal?
Not really, but I have used it to find out information about stuff in terms of, but not really a personal conversation. Tell me more about this. What does this stand for? Give me a source. Things like that.
Okay.
No, I don't. I think it's a trap, and I almost you fall for it and you come out of it types, like, because you don't want to make life decisions on the basis of what an AI is telling you. You have to use AI. AI cannot, and I think it's so easy to fall in trap, because if that conversation was so convincing. It is like, if you do it now, you'll know. It feels like a person, and
I don't do the conversation. I usually just do text. Like I'll transcribe, I'll speak something, I'll put it in text, and I'll get a response in text. And I've spoken about like real things also.
like what? If you want to share.
No, like I'll tell you like some of the silly things. Is like, oh, I met this girl at the bar, and this is how the night went. This is what we spoke about, and at this point she hinted at this, or she said this, and I said this, and then I'll analyze the whole interaction and say, okay, now what? Tell me, like, what do you want to take this ahead? If you want to take this ahead, you should send a text which kind of sounds like this, or.
But Amin, फिर उसमें तू क्या कर रहा है?
No, this was, I did it as an experiment.
हाँ, फिर
I
ठीक
did it
है.
as an experiment for a while to see what's
Yeah.
up. Then I've also had conversations about, like, if I'm upset about something, I would go and say that this has happened and I'm
Okay.
upset about this. So mostly what it does like a grounding thing. It tells you that, listen, first of all, like if you were wrong, it kind of tells you that you fucked up here. Maybe this was your mistake.
But that's
now
very rarely.
No, it tells you.
बहुत scary
Most
है
of the
ये.
times.
Because
It
you're
is scary because it's good. It's good. Like I've
No,
been
but it
feeling
will-
bad and it's gotten me out of it.
But that's shallow. In the sense, it is taking away your
I mean, you're
your
not-
ability to reflect on your own.
For sure.
है ना?
Exactly.
Because एक बार हो गया, then next time it's so easy for you to reflect. अरे नहीं चलना, पूछ लेता हूँ ChatGPT को.
So I've also felt that and I've had to stop myself.
You have to, हाँ,
Yeah.
good.
But then a lot of times it's like you want to speak to someone, like you would ideally go and speak to your friends, but then it's something that you
It's too personal, or maybe not comfortable to sharing.
yeah, you just don't want to talk to this about any. But that's also a problem. I feel like why?
Yeah, but that's a great thing to reflect on. Why you don't want to talk to? Because I'm saying rather than using that opportunity to talk to ChatGPT, sit and reflect on why you're not comfortable sharing that
so
with them.
that I told, they were like at one point after
They
the conversation-
ChatGPT, they them.
It was like
It.
you should, so this is something that you should speak to a real person about. That's what they told me. They're like, do you have your friends?
But do you know,
around?
right? There are recently abhi to koi to someone actually took his own life and his mother's life after talking to ChatGPT.
What?
And yeah, something like that has happened. So it's crazy. ChatGPT, AI.
Yeah.
I think you can use it for fun stuff. I also use it to play games. I create games. So I like, let's do you have to guess my favorite football team. Ask me 10 questions.
It's that there
10
was one-
personality level question, and then you have to guess. And always gets it wrong, idiot. But it's fun. Or you can actually make games also.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've done that. Like if we're out, I mean, I haven't done it with you guys, but like you're sitting somewhere and you're like, hey, I'm sitting with these people and we're having drinks. We feel like playing a drinking game. Like suggest 3 games that we can play. And then you pick one of the games. It'll be like, okay, now conduct the game for us. It'll give you questions, prompts, this and that. There's a lot of fun ways of using it.
That is true.
Even the emotional stuff, I feel like for a lot of people who don't have who won't go for therapy, like they just won't, and they also don't talk to people about it, this is like the best thing they have, because to some level at least it'll tell you, okay, take a deep breath,
हो सकता
Like, it's not that bad. It's fine. It'll be okay. But after a while, I remember there was this one conversation flow. I was like feeling really bad about something. And then it kept saying, ki, like, this is not for me. Like, you need to go and speak to a real person.
Okay.
It's like, this is as much as I could help you. And it would just tell you to relax, lie down, chill, and or go and talk to a real person. So,
ChatGPT gave up.
yeah, like, bhai, tu-
This
ये
problem
सब
is
मेरे को
bigger
क्या
than
बोल रहा है?
Then ChatGPT is going to Gemini. Bro, help me
believe this-
out.
this
His
shit.
GPT smoking a cigarette. माचुत गई भाई.
server overload.
हाँ, but अमिन ज़्यादा मत करिए.
नहीं अभी तो मैंने
Yeah, you really-
yeah, like
क्योंकि-
now I talk about gym, like, oh, I was drinking a lot last night. Today I've woken up feeling, should I still go to the gym? Should I do a light workout? Then they'll be like, okay, have Greek yogurt with berries and then go and maybe just do treadmill for a bit. All that is okay, I feel like.
Yeah.
But the real things,
But it's only going to get more and more convincing.
yeah.
Like,
है ना?
people are using it a lot more for what he spoke about.
Yeah, like a best friend.
No, but
like a
I can imagine this is very
Yeah.
easy to fall
Yeah.
into
Yeah,
the trap.
yeah.
It's not like he's being gullible or anything.
No,
it's
and
like
he's-
it's so easy. It's like
You have to know where to draw the line.
how
It can't think for you. Like, if it's thinking for you, I feel like you're.
You have to reflect and know that, okay, I'm overdoing it now. I'm
हाँ,
oversharing.
but वो बहुत मुश्किल है.
It is difficult.
To
You need a
realize
lot
कि
of
ये
self-
हो रहा है.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोगों के पास कभी कोई था भी नहीं ना. So now
Fair.
this is like the first thing where you will
नहीं,
get
जिनके पास
validation
लोग
also.
था भी
Hmm.
हर इसका आई थिंक एक और एक्सटेंट होता है, एक और लेवल होता है विच दे डिस्कवर दैट ओके आई एम लाइक यू विल फील लाइक ओ ये तो मेरे क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आई टेल देम एवरीथिंग एंड देन यू गो एंड टेल ChatGPT even stuff which is more personal.
Zero judgment.
because it's not even a person, man.
Yeah.
Just
Because with your friends, no matter how much they love you, care for
Still
you,
a
there is
person.
still judgment.
Also, there is a choice of words. You would choose the words in a certain way so that we'll be basic humans with each other.
But then after having, like, if you talk to GPT for a while about different things, and if you get more personal, then you can ask questions about yourself. So the other day, I put this prompt saying, you know so much about me. Tell me my blind spots. Like, be the devil's advocate. Like, don't hold back and tell me my blind spots. And it gave me these like 10 points, which is like an analysis of your personality, which is so like on point.
But you feel it's on point. I don't think you are the right judge to know.
But if I read them out to these boys, they will also be like, yeah.
I mean, I don't think they're also, but they can. They're a better judge than ChatGPT, but they're not a qualified therapist who might
For
be the
sure.
best judge, who
For
can
sure.
look at it with complete.
Yeah.
So also, I think ChatGPT throws answers. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
I'm not an expert. Throws answers which is more likely for you, more likely that you will like.
Yeah.
Or है ना. तो ऐसा
So
नहीं.
at the start, I started seeing that it's only telling me things to validate me.
उसको चालू करना है जरा, अपन पूछते हैं उसको.
पूछते हैं चल.
उसको वो ही पूछते हैं कि तू ऐसा क्यों है रे, तू ठीक क्यों नहीं है. हाँ? उसको पूछते हैं तू
No,
बेवकूफ.
but I say also, ki, bro, like, don't give me this answer. Like, you know, this is
Cut
not
the
what I
crap.
want. Cut the crap and tell me
But
honestly.
aren't you seeing what's happening? This is like you're talking to a person. Like this is how
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
This
It
is how
is very
Don't be
exactly.
ए बकवास मत कर यार, ठीक से
Yeah.
that's how
बोल.
it starts. Yeah.
It is so scary. Why?
Bro, I'll tell you something even scarier. This one time,
You want to say it on camera?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Your show. Go for it.
We made my GPT have a conversation with my girlfriend's GPT, like the speech.
Amazing.
And my girlfriend.
And you guys slept off.
No, my girl.
Your GPTs are having a conversation. They're
No,
fighting.
them have gone to sleep.
Spend some quality time.
Next morning you've got to. Oh, we're getting married tomorrow.
Everything's booked.
Her GPT
That's
kept
insane.
interrupting my GPT. So I was like, okay, they are a
Realistic.
good reflection of.
But this is messed up, right? As an
Yeah, yeah.
experiment, it's fun and fun.
I think
to
this
do
is fun.
and-
This is, there was a time when this is way before, like few years back, 10 years back, I think. Gmail, there are these few sites who had an option कि they will connect with your calendar and they're like, oh, Amin ka birthday hai. So you already send a message
Yeah.
to Amin. So I don't have to miss your birthday. It
Huh.
automatically sends an email. And there was another website which would like reply to these messages. So after a point of time, I say we are in touch. We have no idea. Like मेरा AI इसको message कर रहा है, उसका AI reply कर रहा है, हमको
Yeah.
पता ही नहीं है. And for 10 years we are in touch. So
No,
it's
some
crazy.
people though, bro, like within normal chat, they get their messages drafted by GPT and then they copy paste it. That is just that though I don't understand. Like Like, what are we doing?
This is like
Especially
they're talking to women, right? They want to say the perfect thing.
हाँ.
तो मेरे को कुछ बोलना है, मैं उसको ChatGPT में डाल के वो they'll finesse
Yeah,
it.
she has said this,
And
so give
then-
me something funny to say now.
People put screenshots of their chat.
बट इसमें देखो इसमें क्या है अगर तूने डाल दिया
नहीं,
ऐसा
I'm saying I'm not.
नहीं,
I
नहीं,
don't
अगर
ever do it.
आपने नहीं
हाँ.
अगर you in general ने
Yeah.
डाल दिया you got a message you asked ChatGPT you sent a reply and that reply worked तुम्हारा क्या अचीवमेंट है इसमें
Exactly.
बट वो बंदा जो ये कर रहा है उसका कोई अचीवमेंट था ही नहीं ना उससे पहले, तो ही इज जस्ट हैप्पी कि समथिंग हैपेंड.
अगर वो खुद से करता है एटलीस्ट देयर इज अ स्कोप फॉर लर्निंग इंप्रूविंग. अगर वो नहीं करेगा जब वो एक्चुअली मिलेगा तब तो ChatGPT नहीं है, वो तो बोलेगा ही ना उसको जो आज
Wait,
देर
wait,
माइंड में आ रहा है. उधर देखो अब थोड़ा
He'll have an earpiece, bro. He'll have an
Some
earpiece
guy did
voice
that.
recording.
Some guy has done a video where he
I'm
went
telling
on
you.
this date where GPT is listening to everything she's saying and
Yeah.
giving responses. And obviously, it's not as good as real time. So he's just saying exactly what GPT is saying. And this girl within 5 minutes is like, this is not funny at all.
If
what
to,
you went
so
to do."
this is now accessible, like kids have access to
Yeah.
phones,
Yes.
right? School kids have access to phones. ठीक है, either their parents are like रख ले तू मेरे को पका मत, या फिर somehow they have access. ChatGPT free version तो they have access to.
Yes.
So kids are using ChatGPT.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what all they must be asking, what all,
Yeah.
Imagine everything their parents, they're like, हमको नहीं करना है. Everything is going to ChatGPT.
this is.
Evolution.
हाँ मेरे को ये टीचर ने ये बोला मैं क्या बोलूँ कैसे करूँ.
Oh,
I
yeah.
feel bad now, bro. I had gone to visit my some relatives and I taught my nephew how to use ChatGPT for his school assignments. So now,
But okay, if I'm being honest, if you hadn't also.
yeah, he would still.
He would know.
Yeah, yeah, but
He
that doesn't
learn at
mean you
some
go on this crusade.
Now he's
of
gonna go teaching
helping
every child.
If you have a school kid at home who wants to learn, that's a great business model.
GPT
man.
for kids.
Yeah.
GPT for kids. Huh? Kibidi. Doesn't make any sense. Skibidi dubidi jibidi. GPT for
Oh,
kids.
man.
Weird times, huh? But we're living.
Slippery.
Yeah.
It's like the kind of shit they would make movies about.
Yeah.
Mirror.
This is Terminator.
Black
Black
Mirror
Mirror
feels
only.
like very basic now.
Yeah. Her, that movie was there, na? Her.
I want to use a washroom.
We'll wrap. We'll
Yeah.
wrap. I think we're.
Aisha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was
Okay.
very fun.
Yeah. You had fun?
Anyway.
Dude, I had fun.
Really? Was it? Didn't meet your expectations?
Yeah.
It met my
Exceeded.
expectations. No, met.
Exceeded nahi.
Met my expectations.
Just about met.
No, this was
Met
fun.
properly.
Met properly.
Beautiful.
Like I go back, I'll sleep well today.
Okay, that's all we can ask for, I think.
No, you can ask for more stuff. Don't stop yourself.
Then sleep
bro.
nice.
I'll sleep well. I'll eat well.
Get a room.
Get it. Have a nice dream with Messi again. And
I'll do
all
that.
Go and
Yeah.
tell him about us.
Yeah, yeah,
Come on the
yeah.
podcast.
Tell him to come here and he's gonna tell Shahrukh
Yeah.
about you.
While,
So both
while
of
you
you can
pour all your
communicate.
insecurities to ChatGPT, and then
Yeah.
ChatGPT मेरे को कुछ नहीं. ChatGPT.
जीपीटी बोल रहा है अभी चलना भाई हो गया मेरा.
Yeah. Hey, but don't man. बंद
Yeah.
करिए.
No.
ChatGPT for all this.
Yeah. No, I use it for
Use it for
work.
some
Only
weird
ChatGPT for
में,
kids.
can you make this photo? Can you put me in a blazer? Do all that nonsense.
Can you make a photo of me with Messi?
Yeah.
Then we'll send him a photo.
On a tree.
Yeah, on a
On a
tree.
tree. In shorts.
पेरू का झाड़.
पेरू
पेरू
का
का झाड़
let's
चड्डी पहन के.
That's the thumbnail.
चड्डी नहीं, shorts पहन के.
Shorts.
काही पण बोलू नको. अरे चड्डी. काय रे?
Okay, let's wrap before this gets.
Thank you for doing this, though. Bro. Thank
Dude.
you for after all this time. Like I'm glad it finally happened.
Yes,
It was
thanks,
fun.
man. I always wanted to. When you approached me first, also I was like, I want to do it, but I was like, now I don't. I was in a space where I didn't want to do podcast
Yeah.
at that point of time. But it was not like, oh shit, this podcast I'll never do.
Yeah.
It was more like, if I'm doing it, I'd like to be here.
No, you're
Oh.
welcome to come
Yes.
back anytime.
100%.
Thank
back
you.
soon.
We'll see how this one turns up.
Yeah.
And
Almost. He was almost left hanging.
not in terms of engagement and in terms of like how I see and see a lot of times my problem with podcasts is I come and say stuff and then I look back and I'm like क्या बोला भाई.
Bro,
Same.
we do this like multiple times.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
now you have owned it and you have accepted it. I don't
Yeah.
want to. So so if I'll see this and hopefully it is quite chill.
Okay.
Yeah,
then
sure.
to 100% I'll come back.
Done.
Chalo, done. Thank you.
Done. Thanks guys. ये शो देखना और कमेंट करना